level 3 about the slope of the line. The A is the vertical distance between the steps. The one over the B is the length of the steps. The B is the delta x and the A is the delta y. We end up with a slope of -6/4 started at the vertex, the H and K. We have +6, -4 right here. I'm making a line that has a slope of -6/4. So I'm going to go over 4 and down 6. B is 1/4, so I'm going to move that over 1, 2, 3, 4. And the A is -6, so -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can see that the slope of the line going through the solid dots is the A times the B. If you're just looking at the sign of it, it will tell you whether the steps are going up from your vertex or down from your vertex just by looking at the sign of the slope. If we press enter. This one's going to have a positive slope. If I just go to my vertex, which is at 2, -4, 2, -4, my slope is going to be in the positive direction. My A is 2, -2, so I'm going to grab this point. Like if it was +2, it would be like that. So it's -2, I'm going to bring it down. The B is -1/3. If it was +1/3, I'd bring it over to 3, but it's negative, so I'm going to bring it back to -3 like that. And you can see our slope is positive, so it's going up. Not so big on level 3, but if you go to level 4, we have a positive slope. That happens when the A is positive, the B is positive, or if the A is negative and the B is negative. And here we can see the B is negative. The B is negative because we have a hollow dot on the left side and a solid dot on the right as we're going left to right. We know the B is negative. We also know the A must be negative as well. The A is the distance between the treads, which is 5. It's going to be -5. And the B is the inverse of the length of the tread, which is, we're going from 6 to 12, which is, the length of the tread is 6. So the B is the inverse of that. It's -1/6. Then we just have to pick one of the vertices, one of the solid dots as our vertex. Now, I'm going to use this green glowing one at 6, -5. Our vertex is 6, -5. Our equation is y is equal to A, open greatest integer function bracket, times B, open regular bracket, x minus h, close regular bracket, close greatest integer bracket, plus the k. -5 times -1/6 times x minus h, x minus the 6, plus the k, plus -5 is -5. Then press enter to see if you're right. You can get the exact slope, but really we're just interested in the sign of the slope. We have a positive slope here. We can see that the B is negative, so the A also must be negative. Same thing here. Our B is negative, our slope is positive, so that means the A also must be negative. Our slope is positive, our B is positive, so our A also must be positive. Here, our slope is negative, our B is negative, our A has to be positive then. Our A is positive, we're going from 2 up to 8, so +6. The B, our tread length is 4. It's negative. It's hollow on the left and solid on the right. It's starting with the hollow as you're going left to right. -1/4, and then the vertex is solid dot. I always pick the green glowing one, but you can pick this one. It doesn't really matter. -3, 2. The equation is y is equal to A, open greatest integer bracket, B, open regular bracket, x minus h, close the regular bracket, close the greatest integer bracket, plus k. So that's our equation. I'm going to replace the A with 6, the B with -1/4, h with -3, so -3 is +3, k with 2. And then we press enter to check to see if we're right. That's how the sign of the slope can help you determine the sign of the A and the B. Have a good day.